Hey guys, so I'm going to quickly show you all what I got in my Younique box. I'm kind of excited to show you all. So all this week, not today, but tomorrow, I'm going to be showing you all, instead of our BB creams, I'm going to be doing our stick foundations, and I'm so excited. Alright, hold on. So here is our stick foundations. I got the shade, actually, let's just open the little boxes here. Velour, and then Sienna. This will be my bronzing contour shade, and then this will be my actual foundation. So I'll give you guys swatches. Alright, so here is the liquid velour, or not liquid velour, but this is the foundation. Now our stick concealers are full coverage. They are full coverage, very creamy as well. So if you guys are interested in getting a color match, make sure that you guys comment below. And then here is the bronzing stick. Alright, so this will be my bronzing contour, however you want to call it. These will be my shades for right now, which is Sienna and then Velour. So if you guys need help with color matching, please comment below, let me know, and I hope to help you all soon with that, and I'll show you my other thing. Also, my next thing is the liquid collagen shot, so I cannot wait to give these a try as well. I only got the 15. I got 15. I did not get the full month, mainly just because I just didn't have a bunch of money yet. So I'm excited to start taking these. Right now I think I'm just going to do Monday through Friday and have these. Weekends I have other collagen as well that I'm going to incorporate in as well. So if you guys need some collagen, here is my collagen shot that I will be starting to take. This is what it looks like. Very easy, very simple, and I cannot wait. So like I said, if you guys need help with color matching, this week I will be showing you all our stick foundations. Last week I have been doing a lot of our BB cream, and I really enjoy how my BB cream is looking right now. So if you guys need a color match with any of our foundations, we do have a sale going on, 20% to 25%, so let me know.